Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to start today with a writing video. Now, we haven't done any writing lessons. Well, I guess we did one week that had the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Well, I want to start once a week doing a writing video, and it shows you how to correctly form the letters of the alphabet. Now, we've done this in school, but we just did it a little bit. I feel like at this point in the year, we need to be learning more how to write and form our letters. If someone says, write the letter T for me, you shouldn't have to say, what does that look like? You need to know that in your brain, okay? So we'll practice it. We're gonna start with 5 letters today. Now, I think it was last week or maybe the week before, we did the letters A, E, I, O, and U, the vowels. But the way we're going to be doing it now is a little bit differently. So if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, that would be great. Or even if you have a dry erase board that you can use, grab that dry erase board, get a marker, a dry erase marker, and get something to wipe it off with so you can practice the letters with me, okay? All right, so the first letter that we're going to be doing today is the letter T. The letter T. Now on the front is the uppercase T. So when you make a T, you go to the very top, you make a line across, you pick up your marker, go right to the middle and slide down, 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 all the way to the pink carpet. Now here you don't see the pink carpet, but when we do some more papers, our practice papers, it will show you the pink carpet, so it will help you a little bit more, okay? So we start across, go to the middle and slide all the way down. Okay, and then what we're going to do, I'm going to flip it over. On the back is the lowercase t. Okay, the lowercase t, you do a line, and then you do one right through the middle, okay? Do a line, straight line, and then a straight line through the middle, just like that. Okay, that is the letter T. Our next letter is the letter L, the letter L. This one has straight lines as well. When you do an L, you go to the top of the upstairs, you slide down, 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 down to the pink carpet, and then you slide all the way across. That is the uppercase L. Lowercase l is very simple, probably one of the easiest letters of the alphabet. Go to the top of the upstairs, make a nice straight line all the way down to the pink carpet. You pick up your pencil or your marker and you're all done. Okay, the next letter we're going to do today is the letter B. That's right. When you make the letter B, this is how you make it. Go to the top of the upstairs, slide down, down, down. Pick up your marker, go back up to the top. Make a little belly, connect to the straight line, retrace a little bit, and then come out and make another belly and connect right at the bottom. That is the uppercase B. The lowercase b looks like this, a little bit different. You go to the top of the upstairs, you slide down, 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 and then you stop. Then you retrace up that line. You come out, you make a belly, and you slide back up, and that is your lowercase b. Let's try that one again. Start at the top of the upstairs. Come down, 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 down to the pink carpet. Retrace about halfway up. Come around. Give yourself a belly. Come around and end back at the straight line. That is the lowercase b. All right, the next letter we have is the letter M. That's right. So for the letter M, there are a couple of different ways that you can write the letter M, and I will show you both ways. One way that you can write the letter M is by starting with a straight line, one that looks just like the letter L, from the top of the upstairs to the pink carpet. Then you pick up your marker or your pencil, you go back up to that line, make a slanted line all the way to the pink carpet, stop, then go back up and make another slanted line up. Stop at the top of the upstairs, then slide down, 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 down in a straight line all the way to the pink carpet. So that is one way that you can write the uppercase M. Another way that you could write it, let me go ahead and erase this. Here's my eraser. Another way that you can write the letter M is like this. You make your straight line. Here, let me come around this way. Start at the top of the upstairs. You make your straight line. and then you come over here just a little bit, and you make your other straight line. And then what you can do next is make a little dot right in the middle of those two lines. And then you come back up to the top where you started over here and make a slanted line that connects that line all the way to the dot. And then you go up to the very top of this other straight line that you made, slant in very carefully all the way to that dot, and that is also your letter M. So there are two different ways that you can make the uppercase M. All right, here's the lowercase m. So tell me how many humps the letter has. Yes, it has two, and that's very important because the next letter we're going to learn only has one hump. Okay, so when you make the lowercase m, start at the top of the dotted line, slide down to the pink carpet, retrace, go up, 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 make a hump, come down, stop at the pink carpet, slide up, retrace carefully, come off, make a hump, touching the dotted line, and then come down, down, down to the pink carpet. Now, very important when you're making this letter that you retrace. If you don't retrace, this is what it will look like. Okay, that is not the letter M. You have to very carefully make this M. So when you make it, slide down, retrace carefully, come off, come down, retrace carefully, not all the way up to the top, but almost. And then make another hump and end back at the pink carpet. That one's a little wobbly. I'm holding it a little funny. So, all right, are you ready for your last letter? What letter is this? Yes, it's the letter N. And when you make the letter N, this is how you do it. Start at the top of the upstairs, come down, 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 down in a straight line to the pink carpet. Then you can come back up to the top right where you began and make a slanted line all the way down to the pink carpet, and then you stop, and then you go back up and you connect it. Just like that. That is the letter N. Now, just like the letter M, you can also make this letter a little bit differently. You can choose which way is easiest for you. Both ways are correct. The other way goes like this. Start at the top of the upstairs, slide down, down, down in a straight line, and then you come all the way over to the side, make another straight line all the way down to the pink carpet, and then you pick up your marker, come back to where you began, and connect those two lines with a diagonal line right through the middle. And there is your letter N. All right, are you guys ready? We're going to do a little bit different here. We practiced those 5 letters. Now we're going to do a little practice page. If you have your dry erase board, you can erase those letters, and we're going to make the letters. Now, this is the letter T. First, we're going to begin with the lowercase t. And a good thing with this is that you can see where the pink carpet is and where the dotted line is, okay? All right, so for the lowercase t, you're going to start on the pink dot. You're going to slide down to the pink carpet, pick up your pencil, and draw a little line across. That is the lowercase t. We're going to do it again. Slide down, down, down to the pink carpet, little line across to make the T. One more time. Pink dot, slide down, 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 pink carpet, and then slide across on the dotted line. Now, if you notice with the lowercase t, does it start at the very top of the upstairs? No, it does not. It only starts about halfway down in the upstairs from the blue line all the way to the dotted line. Now, for the uppercase T, start right here on the top of the upstairs, come down to the pink carpet, draw a line across, right across the top of the upstairs. Let's do it again. Draw a line straight down to the pink carpet and at the top. Slide down to the pink carpet and down. That is the uppercase T. I hope you're really good at the uppercase T's now. All right, let's go on to our next letter. Our next letter we have is the letter L. The letter L. So for the letter L, remember I told you this was a very easy letter, probably the easiest. So what you do for the lowercase L, you start at the top of the upstairs, slide down to the pink carpet, and that is all. Let's do it again. So easy. It almost reminds me of tally marks, doesn't it? Right, okay. Top of the upstairs, down to the pink carpet. Now for the uppercase L, another easy letter, but let's practice it. Top of the upstairs, down to the pink carpet, and then make a straight line across. Let's try it again. Mrs. Brooks's straight line was a little wobbly. So to the top of the upstairs, slide down to the pink carpet, and then slide across right along that pink carpet. Uppercase L again, slide down, 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 and then slide across. And that is your L. Okay, our next letter is the letter B. We're going to start with the uppercase B, the lowercase b. All right, so for the lowercase b, you're going to start at the top of the upstairs. At the beginning, it will look like the lowercase L. So you make a straight line all the way down. You do not pick up your pencil. You retrace all the way up to the dotted line. Give yourself a belly. Almost looks like a stick and a ball, doesn't it? All right, let's do it again. Top of the upstairs, slide down, down, retrace to the dotted line, come around and end up in a smile. Top of the upstairs, down, retrace, and make a circle. That is your letter B. Now, sometimes we haven't learned the letter D, or we haven't really talked a lot about the letter D, but it looks very similar to the letter B. Now, one way that I remember if it's a B or if it's a D, if I added another little bubble on it, it kind of looks like the uppercase B, doesn't it? Okay? Now, we know that's not how we make it, but it can help you remember. Am I making a B or am I making a D? You can remember that way. Okay? All right, let's come on over here. We have the uppercase B. Start at the top of the upstairs, come down to the pink carpet, pick up your pencil, give yourselves a belly, and then give yourselves another belly. Almost looks like you're writing the letter 3. A letter 1 and a 3 stuck together. See? There's the letter 1. Then you come up, and it's almost like you're writing the letter 3 with it, isn't it? All right, let's do it again. Upstairs, all the way down to the pink carpet. Go back up to the dotted line. Upstairs. Slide along that line. Come down to the dotted line. Connect. And then come back in, down to the pink carpet, and connect again. All right, one more time. I'm going to start right here. Upstairs, down to the pink carpet. Come around, make a belly. Come around, make another belly. And that is your uppercase B. All right, 2 more left. We have the letter M next. Now remember, I told you there were 2 different ways. I'm going to do it the way that we have on here, okay? And the way that they show it is one line, another line, and another line, okay? All right, so let's go to the lowercase m. For the lowercase m, remember, for the M, we have how many humps? 2 humps, right? Okay, so for the lowercase m, you start on the dotted line. You slide down, down, down to the pink carpet. Do not pick up your pencil. Retrace. Come back up, touch that dotted line, and come back down, making one of your humps all the way to the pink carpet. Then you go back up, retrace up to the dotted line, then come back down to the pink carpet. And that is your lowercase m. Let's try it again. Dotted line, down to the pink carpet, retrace to the dotted line, back down to the pink carpet, retrace to the dotted line, and back down to the pink carpet. And there is your letter M. One more practice. Dotted line, down to the pink carpet, retrace, give yourself a hump, retrace, and another hump. And that is your lowercase m. Okay, uppercase M. Remember, we do one line, then we do another line. And then you look at where it is right in the middle. You do a little dot right down here. Then you go to the top of the upstairs, come down and connect it, and then go back over here, come down and connect it. And there is your M. All right, here we go again. Top of the upstairs, come down to the pink carpet. Top of the upstairs, straight line down to the pink carpet. Make your little tiny dot. Then go to the top, connect, go to the top, and connect. That is your uppercase M. And one more time. 1, 2, dot, diagonal line, and diagonal line. That is your uppercase M. That one's a little bit trickier, isn't it? All right, and then our very last letter is the letter N. The letter N. So the lowercase n, remember, only has how many humps? Only one hump, right? All right, so it's just like the M. You just stop before you add the second hump. All right, start on the dotted line, slide down to the pink carpet, retrace, give yourself a hump, and down to the pink carpet again. Dotted line, down to the pink carpet, slide up to the dotted line, come down, and to the pink carpet. Dotted line, down to the pink carpet, give yourself a hump, and down to the pink carpet again. And for your uppercase N, go to the top of the upstairs, down to the pink carpet, top of the upstairs, down to the pink carpet. You're going to come back over here and connect the two lines together. Let's try it again. Down, down, and connect with your diagonal line. And one more time. Slide down, and then connect. So this video was a little different than my videos that I normally do, but I hope that you are able to do some practice and that you are able to write these letters. And throughout the week, I would love for you just to take out a piece of paper. I'd love for you to take out your whiteboard and just practice these on your own over and over again, and you will get really good at this. So I'm looking forward to seeing all those letters. All right, bye-bye.